Ever wondered why we need vitamin B12 in our daily life? Well, this water-soluble nutrient, also known as cobalamin, is a key player in maintaining our overall health and well-being. Firstly, it is vital for the formation of red blood cells. These are the vehicles that transport oxygen throughout the body. Without enough B12, we might end up with a type of anemia known as megaloblastic anemia, leading to fatigue, weakness, and a reduced oxygen-carrying capacity. Secondly, vitamin B12 is a guardian of our neurological health. It keeps our nerve cells healthy, and its deficiency could lead to neurological issues, including numbness, difficulty walking, and even memory problems. Lastly, it plays a significant role in DNA synthesis. This supports healthy cell division and ensures proper cellular function. So the benefits of B12 are diverse and impactful, while its deficiency can lead to several health issues. Clearly, vitamin B12 is not a nutrient to ignore, considering its essential role in maintaining our health. But what happens when we don't get enough of this powerhouse vitamin? Well, several factors can lead to a deficiency in vitamin B12. For starters, if you're not consuming enough through your diet, especially if you're following a strict vegetarian or vegan lifestyle, you may be at risk. Animal products are primary sources of B12 after all. Then there are conditions that impact nutrient absorption in your body. Think of pernicious anemia, gastrointestinal disorders such as Crohn's disease or celiac disease, and surgeries that affect the digestive system. Age is another factor. As we get older, our stomach acid production might decrease, which can hinder B12 absorption. So, what are the signs of this deficiency? You might experience fatigue, weakness, constipation, or loss of appetite. Nerve problems like numbness or tingling, poor memory, and mood changes are also common symptoms. Recognizing these symptoms early can prevent serious health issues, making it crucial to understand the signs of B12 deficiency. So, how can we ensure we're getting enough vitamin B12? Well, the primary way to achieve sufficient B12 intake is through a varied and balanced diet. Animal products such as meat, particularly liver, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy products, are all rich in vitamin B12. But don't worry if you're a non-meat eater. There are plenty of fortified foods like cereals, plant-based milk, or nutritional yeast that can help you meet your B12 needs. In situations where dietary intake is insufficient or absorption is compromised, supplements can come to the rescue. They are especially recommended for older adults or individuals with specific health conditions that affect B12 absorption. For severe deficiencies or conditions that hinder absorption, B12 injections might be the way to go. These are usually prescribed by healthcare professionals to ensure you maintain adequate levels of this essential vitamin. Getting enough B12 is easier than you might think, with a variety of options available to suit different dietary needs and health conditions. Let's recap the importance of maintaining adequate levels of this crucial nutrient. Vitamin B12, or cobalamin, is a vital player in our well-being, contributing to the formation of red blood cells, neurological health, and DNA synthesis. Its deficiency, however, can lead to several health issues, such as fatigue, weakness, constipation, neurological problems, and mood changes. Ensuring you're getting enough B12 is key. This can be achieved through a balanced diet, rich in animal products like meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy, or fortified foods for our plant-based friends. In some cases where dietary intake is insufficient or absorption is compromised, supplements or even B12 injections might be needed. But remember, everyone's needs are different. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for guidance on your B12 intake and to address any concerns you may have. Remember, maintaining adequate levels of vitamin B12 is not just about preventing deficiency. It's about supporting your overall health and well-being.